Histology Viva by Dr. Smita Sudarshana. What type of epithelium it contains? It is the patent question the examiner will ask you. So let's do all type of epithelium. First, simple squamous epithelium. Simple means single layer and the squamous is flattened. It looks like this simple squamous and it resembles kumbal, that is the blanket. And kumbal is the hint for where it is present. CMBL, kumbal, that is blanket, kumbal. C for cavity, serous cavity, either it is peritoneal, pleural or pericardial. M for mucosal lining of heart, this blue color, the mucosal lining. Mucosal lining, this blue one. Kumbal, B for blood vessel lining. And even the Bowman's capsule, the parietal layer. This is the parietal layer and this one is the visceral layer. So parietal layer of the Bowman's capsule. And L for lung alveoli and the loop of Henle. Thin segment only. Loop of Henle has got thick segment and thin segment. So only thin segment and lymphatic vessel lining, inner lining. Kumbal. Now coming to the another type of epithelium, that is simple cuboidal. Simple means single layer, cuboidal means cubical. And one thing also worth mentioning in the previous case, here the nucleus lies at the center and compressed. Okay. And in simple cuboidal epithelium, the nucleus lies in the middle and round, like this. Okay. And it doesn't look like a rocket base, so the hint will be rocket. Here the spelling will be ROKET, rocket. Where it will found? In the retina, the pigment layer of retina. O for ovary, germinal epithelium of ovary. K for kidney, that is the proximal convoluted, distal convoluted, collecting tubule and the papillary duct. E for exocrine gland, the major duct of exocrine gland. And T for thyroid follicle, rocket. Okay. Now coming to simple columnar. Single layer, simple means single layer, and columnar means tall. And the nucleus lies at the bottom and the shape is oval. And it doesn't look like head of a person. Yeah. And it can be bald or it can be much hairy. So bald is non-ciliated and hairy will be ciliated. This bald person, that is the non-ciliated type of simple columnar epithelium. We are reading simple columnar. Okay. So non-ciliated simple columnar is all hairs are fallen due to the continuous frustration, as he is in the post of Sir UG, that is the teacher of undergraduate, Sir UG. So the example of non-ciliated type of simple columnar epithelium will be Sir UG, that is the S for stomach, I for intestine, R for rectum. These are all simple columnar epithelium. This is U for uterus and G for gallbladder. These are all simple columnar epithelium. Sir UG. And the second one, that is the hairy or ciliated type of simple columnar epithelium. Of this hairy, it look like julf, and suddenly the word comes in mind, of. So the example will be O for O is the central canal of spinal cord, just like O, letter O. So the example of ciliated type of simple columnar is central canal of spinal cord, and F for fallopian tube. Okay. Now coming to pseudo-stratified ciliated columnar, pseudo-stratified columnar epithelium. Pseudo means what? False. False, that, and stratified is multi-layered, and columnar is tall. Multi-layered, but he is telling lie. It is not multi-layered. It is only one layered, but few cells are of short height. They do not reach at the luminal surface. So actually it is of one layer, but it resembles that it is multi-layer. What it is written here, actually single layer. Due to different size cell, oval shaped nuclei are in different row and situated in its wider part. Okay. And the example depends upon the type of pseudo-stratified columnar epithelium. It depends upon three things, that is the CNS. This world is full of pseudo people, false people, and for their identification you should have dimag is CNS, and the type of pseudo-stratified columnar epithelium is ciliated, non-ciliated, and stereocilia. Now coming to the ciliated type of pseudo-stratified columnar. Ciliated means julf, urti hui julfe. Urti means upper respiratory tract, URT. Okay, upper respiratory tract. And non-ciliated, none. Here the none, the same phonics that as of nun, 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 a religious woman who devotes her life for other. And this nun, non-ciliated, it can be someone's patni, that means wife, someone's sister, someone's mother. So hint will be PSM. Okay. And non-ciliated example will be P for patni and P for prostate. Okay. S for sister and S for seminal vesicle. And M for mother and M for male urethra. These are all types of non-ciliated type. Nun, 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 religious woman. And here is the hint will be of non-ciliated type. Okay. Now the second one, समझने के लिए दिमाग चाहिए. Okay. Here is ciliated. The another variety is non-ciliated, which we have read. And the third one is the stereocilia. Okay. Now, example of a stereocilia is, this is a stereo, the music system, and it gives festive feeling. So Eid, one of the festive feeling is, festival is Eid. So E for epididymis, I for inner ear, and D for ductus deferens. So pseudo-stratified is completed, and now coming to stratified squamous epithelium. All the previous ones are the single layered, and now it is multi-layered. Stratified means multi-layered, and squamous is flattened. The flattened and the multi-layered. Okay, and it can be of two types, keratinized and non-keratinized. If the outermost layer is of keratin, this black one. Then it is keratinized. Keratinized, it will just look like as if the keratin layer gives feeling of that someone is skiing on ice. So A skiing, hint will be keratinized. Example of keratinized type of stratified squamous epithelium, A skiing. A for anal canal and skiing is skin. Okay, so it is keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. Now coming to non-keratinized. And non-keratinized type, without the keratin layer, it looks like a comb. The multiple layer and flattened, it gives resemblance of tooth of a comb. So the hint will be, example will be A comb. And A for anal canal, C for conjunctiva, again A for anal canal, and in keratinized type it is also, because anal canal has 4 type of epithelium. Okay, so A comb, C for conjunctiva, bulbar conjunctiva. The conjunctiva is on the eyelid and even on the eyeball. So on the eyeball it is known as bulbar conjunctiva, and C for cornea. A comb. And O for esophagus, stratified squamous epithelium. And M for mouth cavity, that is oral cavity. B for, actually it is B, and B very much sounds like B. So B for vocal fold and V for vagina. These are the example of stratified squamous. Now coming to stratified cuboidal. Stratified means multi-layered and cuboidal is cubical. It doesn't look like a stone, which gives protection to a soldier which is hiding behind, and it looks like a mazer. Okay, mazer, in the army there is mazer. So the hint will be mazer. And the example of stratified cuboidal epithelium is mazer duct of sweat and salivary gland. Now coming to stratified columnar, multiple layer, and the cells will be tall. And the tall cells in a sheet, it stack over one another, resembles marble of Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal, yeah, it gives feeling of columnar tall and multiple layer. So Taj Mahal, and Taj Mahal lies in the UP, situated in Uttar Pradesh, UP. So U, that is the hint, UP. U for urethra, and U for urethra, only distal part. And P for palpebral and fornical conjunctiva. The conjunctiva which lies on the eyelid is the palpebral, and fornical means the medial canthus. Medial canthus, this is the medial canthus and this is the lateral canthus. Medial canthus is also known as fornix. So fornical conjunctiva. And the transitional epithelium. Transitional epithelium is what? One who transit or change from one state to another. And it is adopted by that organ which has given responsibility to collect something, which has the power of distension. And the example will be all the collecting part of the urinary system, that is the minor calyx, major calyx, renal pelvis, ureter, urinary bladder collecting system. These are the histological slide of the ureter, and this is the distended. This is Here is distended ureter and this is non-distended. This is again the histological slide of urinary. So this is all about the histology, Viva. Thank you. The type of epithelium.